Here we are in 2023. There are some questions that we need to ask ourselves. Do you like where you are now or not really? Do you enjoy the journey or you are just wandering around and don't really know how to and where to go? Let's see the major message and the major card of 2023. Number 7, the Chariot. 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 7, which is the card of the Chariot. So now you know that last year you made your decisions because 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 6, and that is the card of the Lovers. So you made your decisions. They're gonna have huge impact in your life, not just this year, but the years and the years after, maybe your whole life. And now here we are in 2023 when the Chariot is coming up, the journey itself and how we like it. If we enjoy it, if we create the opportunity, because the journey that you do not enjoy, worthless. Most of the times there are two horses or sphinx or whatever beings pulling the chariot, where the rider is you yourself. But remember, the horses or the animals are representing you too. They are pulling the chariot no matter what. Hopefully into a direction that you are aware of, or at least you have chosen the direction consciously. And the main thing here is consciousness. In case your decision has been made subconsciously, then the horse is pulling the chariot mindlessly too. And so even though you have the rein in your hands, you're gonna pull it when it needs to be loosened, and you're gonna loosen it when it needs to be pulled. 2023 will be the year of getting to know these horses, to get familiar with them and to tame them. They are the manifestation of ourselves. In a way, they are representing our attributes, the good and the bad, the light and the dark, the polarities, because we all have our shadow and our light. We all have our good attributes and some bad attributes, no exceptions. We are human beings. We're going to face the manifestation, the representation of these horses in our lives in this year, which means that we will meet and we will face our deepest desires. Let them be holy goals or let them be naughty thoughts. It doesn't matter. We're gonna face them, and we need to know this part of ourselves to be able to go over and go along on the journey and to be able to find beauty in everything. If you judge yourself for your shadowy side, your shadow attributes, you won't be able to see the beauty and recognize the beauty of the other side either, because you will spend way too much energy on judging yourself and get along with those shadow attributes that you have. So this year we may expect constant lessons where we might need to use our attributes, sometimes the ones that we are not really proud of and sometimes the attributes that we are really proud of. But we will have the chance and we will have the opportunity and the challenges that requires us to use these skills, all of them, this one and this one too, and the two together. That is where the true self is hiding. You won't be able to see one without the other. And once we recognize both of the sides and once we see the beauty in both of them, then we'll be able to handle the rein of the horses properly. As a true rider, we will have the chance to enjoy the journey itself, because now the horse is gonna do what they need to do. They're gonna work together, they're gonna support each other, they're gonna implement each other, they're gonna help each other. And that is the key of this year, because what is the journey that we are looking for? We want a smooth one with a destination we are excited about, but we want the journey to be smooth and joyful with colorful sightseeings and colorful sights around us. And if the horses are pulling the chariot, your life mindlessly, and you have no idea how to hold and use the rein, the road will be like rough and you're probably not going to enjoy. Remember, the horse is gonna pull the chariot, whether you like it or not. It is totally up to you what type of journey you will have. Will you enjoy it or will you suffer all along? Love the horses, feed them, keep that precious balance. One horse won't be able to pull any chariot of life.